Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Put the phone into airplane mode from quick settings to cut radios. You do this first because it prevents calls while allowing manual wireless control. Once done, press and hold the airplane tile to open related controls, then tap Mobile Network or SIM settings. Make sure mobile data is switched on for the active SIM. Realme separates radios so airplane mode won't block a manually re-enabled data link. You'll be ready for the next configuration step. Next, configure the APN so mobile data works while airplane mode is active. Go to Settings, SIM card and Mobile Networks, then pick the SIM you'll use. Tap access point names and either select a saved APN or create a new one with carrier values, name, APN, MCC, MNC, and authentication as needed. Save the APN, tap to activate it, and then confirm mobile data shows as connected. This ensures your phone can route packets even when radios are otherwise limited. To finish, verify the mobile data icon appears in the status bar and run a quick load test like a small web page or messaging app. If pages load, you're done. Airplane mode plus manually enabled mobile data is working. If it fails, make sure the APN exactly matches carrier values. Then toggle airplane mode off and back on to reset radio state. Also restart the phone if needed. This reset often clears negotiation issues between the SIM, APN, and Realme's network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.